In this video, I am going to show you how to create double expose effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, open a document, then open your image, first image, then select object selection tool and mask it, then resize it according to your needs, then canvas size, increase your canvas size, then create a new layer and create a background. Now our second image, opacity 46%, then place our second image, then rasterize layer and create clipping marks. Okay, now marks again and erase it. Then choose your perfect background, then create convert smart object, then rasterize layer. Now we add, now select filter and fence flare. Okay, now create new layer, Guardian tools, okay, now add text, okay, now final touch, filter, camera raw filter. Our final result is come. Let's see your final result done. So it's our double expose image. I hope you like it. Thank you.